What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to activate your Revolut card, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We are doing daily uploads, 20 plus videos every single day, so make sure to check them out because maybe they can be helpful to you. So let's say you got a Revolut card and you do not know how to activate it. Well, basically there are a couple of really easy steps which I'm gonna go through with you guys. So overall, basically to activate your new physical card, there are a couple of ways. So either you go to the cards tab in the app, select the card you want to activate and press activate now. Please only activate your card once it's arrived and make a chip and pin transactions with your new card. Withdraw cash from an ATM using the card. So there are three ways. So you can either go to the cards tab in the app, select the card you want to activate and press activate now when it's arrived. Then you can make a chip and pin transactions with your new card, or you can withdraw cash from the ATM using the card. You must already complete your identity check to activate and use the card. For security reasons, their physical cards have contactless and online payment disabled by default. You need to go to card settings to enable them. Also, you can check your PIN and other cards details, and you can also submit a request to reactivate your card or report any troubles with the delivery. So overall, guys, those are the steps on how to activate a card. So let's repeat them. You can either go to the cards tab in the app and select the card you want to activate and press activate now, or make a chip and pin transactions with your new card or withdraw cash from ATM using it. So overall, guys, those are the steps you need to take to activate your Revolut card to allow online payments. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.